总统蔡英文接受到美国有线电视新闻网 CNN 的独家专访。这个专访伫今仔日来播出有7分钟的时间。总统伫访谈当中，第一届来证实，美军确实是有派人来台湾协助咱的国军的训练。总统嘛讲，伊对美国甲台湾的关系有信心。伊讲台湾若去互中国来攻击，伊相信美国甲其他民主的国家会伸出着援手。
Is Taiwan more safe today than it was when you became president in 2016?
If it's a threat from China, it's increasing every day.
台海局势受到全球关心，CNN 让2年外，搁一摆专访总统蔡英文，针对美国总统拜登进前讲防卫台湾的言论作出回应。
People have different interpretation of what President Biden has said.
Do you have faith that the United States would defend Taiwan if the mainland were to try to move on Taiwan?
I do have faith, and given the long-term relationship that we have with the U.S. and also the support of the people of the U.S. as well as the Congress and the administration has been very helpful.
总统嘛讲，美国若是卖武器予台湾，嘛头一摆证实美军伫台湾协助国军进行训练。
Does that support include sending some U.S. service members to help train Taiwanese troops?
Well, yes, we have a wide range of cooperation with the U.S. Aiming at increasing our defense capability.
How many U.S. service members are deployed in Taiwan right now?
Not as many as people thought.
针对台海局势紧张，总统表示，台湾有必要增强军事防备的能力，因为中国若是针对台湾，对区域和平嘛造成重大威胁。
Why do you think that the communication has really gone south since 2016?
Well, I think the situation has changed a lot, and China's plan towards the region is very different.
虽然对中国爱博较硬咧，不过 CNN 的记者嘛讲，两岸若是有机会对话，蔡总统甘愿意和习近平面对面。
Are you interested in speaking with President Xi? Would you like to have more communication with him?
Well, more communication would be helpful so that we would reduce misunderstanding, given our differences in terms of our political systems. We can sit down and talk about our differences and try to make arrangements so that we would be able to coexist peacefully.
总统强调，台湾的未来必须交予做伙伫这片土地打拼的2300万人来决定。虽然生活伫威胁当中，犹原有相同理念的盟友来支持，台湾会继续打拼，来维护华人世界唯一的民主政体。